Initiating simulation 062. Looking east. T-0. The year is 1347. The Black Death hits Europe, but instead of killing half the population, it kills 99% of it. Europe collapses into a silent, post-apocalyptic wilderness. Without European interference, the empires of the Americas thrive, innovate, and look to the oceans. In 1520, it isn't Columbus landing in the Americas. It is a fleet of advanced Aztec explorers landing on the forgotten shores of the Old World. They find a continent reclaimed by nature. Imagine Aztec cartographers mapping the dark, haunted ruins of Paris and Rome, treating them like lost, mythical cities. To them, the Europeans are ancient, mysterious ghosts who built primitive stone castles and died to a curse from the gods. The timeline completely flips. The Americas become the center of global trade, science, and industry. Europe becomes their wild, untamed colony. European art and history become exotic museum curiosities for the Aztec elite. The few surviving European tribes are put on reservations or assimilated. If a single bacteria mutated differently in 1347, every language you speak, the borders of your country, and the modern world order would not exist. Simulation result. History is written by the survivors. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.